Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset your iRobot Roomba 105. If you're interested in the 105 or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. So a factory reset is different from a restart. This is going to wipe everything, remove it from your account, and make it like it's brand new again right out of the box for initial setup. First thing we have to do is hold down the home button for around 5 seconds. Okay, we got a chime there. Now we're going to go...
Factory reset Roomba. Press the home and power buttons again and hold for 5 seconds.
So now we're going to hold both buttons for 5 seconds.
Starting factory reset.
Got the voice prompt. It's starting the factory reset.
Settings restored.
Factory settings have been restored. The lights are blinking. The lights are off. And now the unit's going to boot up again. The lights are back on. They're slowly blinking. It's going to do that power cycle as it initializes and boots back up. Lights are now solid. Powering on. And now you're ready to go with your iRobot Roomba 105 factory reset.